Mary Ann is one of the sponsor together with her husband, Kunsihal sa Dapitan. And then, when I was performing also, just like what I did earlier, she went on my space and gave my number. Anyways, for the information of everybody, I have started my hosting career since 2004. And this is my 20th year anniversary as the event host. And di pumiro of 20 years. Right. After I graduated my college years here in Dipolog City, I was a DJ of radio, and then at the same time, an event host. And I've been in Manila, well, eventually last March, I've been in Taguig for 1 week hosting their event. Taguig City, I was there near at the how do you call that? The mall right there, the mall of Maling Villar. Near. Malapit po kami sa hindi po Star Mall yun. Baka okay na yun, basta andun ako. And somewhere in the place of Visayas and even in Negros, I've been in, how do you call that? Hindi, nalimutan ko yung lugar. Malapit lang yun sa Dumaguete City. After Dumaguete City, pupunta doon ng Bacolod. Yun. And almost enter place of Mindanao also. And I'm happy to serve you. And I am happy to be with you. It is my privilege to be with you. All gathering, all stars of the Vital Plus, Visayas and Mindanao. Of course, thank you so much, Coach Larry and Kunsihal. And this time, it's time to distribute the money that you have coming from you, the owner of Vital Plus. This will be done by Kunsihal Leon.
Okay, so ayan, before ang pahatag nato sa ato ang mga kaniniang pa-raffle, no? So, before that, and of course, okay, fellow dreamers, as the night draws to a close, I can't help but feel a surge of excitement and gratitude. We've gathered here tonight not just to celebrate our achievements, no, but to ignite our passions and fuel our dreams. This Millionaires Night has been a testament to the power of ambition, the strength of our network, and the unwavering spirit of Abante All-Star. We've shared stories of success, the brilliance of peers, and been inspired by the unwavering dedications of those who have paved the way. But tonight, we're not just looking back, we're looking forward. We're here to remind ourselves that the journey to true wealth is an ongoing one. It's about pushing boundaries, embracing challenges, and never settling for anything less than our full potential. I want to extend a heartfelt thank you to our awardees, especially to our top network builder and Kabaytaan Network Builder awardees of EVI Abante All-Star. Your dedication, leadership, and unwavering belief in our collective vision have been instrumental in our success. You are a true inspiration to all of us, no? And your commitment to Abante All-Star inspires us all to reach for greater heights. Let's leave her tonight with our dreams burning brighter than ever. Let's remember the power of our network, the strength of our collective spirit, and the endless possibilities that lie ahead. Thank you for making this Millionaires Night a truly unforgettable experience. Let's continue to push boundaries, embrace the challenges, and strive for excellence in all that we do. The future is ours to shape, and together we will write a remarkable story of success. Again, thank you for making this Millionaires Night a resounding success. And of course, no, I also want to say thank you sa atuang mga computer operator karon. And sa atuang staff sa lights and sound, grabe ibahangyo jud big maayo. Oo, sa mga kayo, no? Daghang salamat. And of course, Ma'am Ann Harapan, daghang salamat, grabe. Di ayo man jud kiyaw kaning ang printa, ang kaning ang certificates basta isa wala jud nang ipalampas itagaan ta. Isn't it, no? Sakto or sakto kayo? Yes. And of course, no, sa ato ang pinaka-upline na Undo diri sa Dipolog City. Thank you so much for coming. Yes. And of course, paring upline JR Colina, thank you so much all the way from Manila. Grabe gianihan Juda. At syempre sa ato ang magdiayon nga product center owner ng Dipolog City, none other than Mr. and Mrs. Santiago Andag. And of course, sa ato ang mga coaches na naadere karon. At grabe, sa lahat po ng tumulong at ganinang buntag, grabe. Bisa pag wala giingnan ng mga leaders, ningon man jud, upline, mag-decorate ta, kuyog mi. Oh, nana ba, no? So, and of course, daghang salamat sa ako at sa ato ang pinaka-beloved na MC host, karong no, Adlawa. Karong mapuna, thank you so much, Konsihan. Ayan, so, sa lahat ng ito, maraming salamat po to our beloved EDI Abante All-Star na nandito kayo ngayon. Hopingly, no, because this is just only a start. Next time, next year, siguro, double, hindi lang, double, kung hindi, triple, quadruple ang dami na natin dito. So, and of course, hindi na ganitong kalaki lang ng lugar, kung hindi, mas malaking lugar pa ang tumunin para sa ato ang Millionaires Night for the 2025. Ayan. So, sa lahat po ng dumalo na nandito ngayon, mahal namin kayo ni Coach Larry. Sa lahat ng ito, grabe, pinapasalamatan namin po kayo. Hindi po namin kayo nakakalimutan. Talagang sobra po yung pasasalamat namin parati at kay God, no? Na nandito tayo ngayon. Yung buong ilang taon, 13 years, no, na pamamalagi namin and still counting po dito sa First Vita Plus. Grabe yung pasasalamat namin at alam ko darating ang panahon na hindi lang kung sabi kanina ni paring upline na GR Colina na si upline Undo na 10, alam ko hindi lang po yun, kung hindi, no, aakyat sa Araneta Coliseum, almost 50 nasa Abante All-Star. Yes. Kaya, our beloved EDI